Good morning students. In our previous class we discussed about flow of execution, and we know that flow of execution means the way the statements are executed. There are three ways. First is sequential, where the statements execute one by one. Second is conditional based. If the condition is true, then the particular statement is executed. Otherwise, the next statement, the control will move to the next statement. For this, we use if statement. And then we have looping or iteration, means repeating some process till the condition is true. And the looping is of two types, for and while loop. Today we discuss about strings in Python. String is a sequence of characters enclosed within a quotes. There are two types of strings, single line or a normal string which we used, and a multi-line string. We will create a string by simply enclosing them either in single quotes or in double quotes. And strings are immutable, means we cannot modify them or change the content of a string after its creation. Or we can say that if we assign a string item to a variable, then we cannot change it. Now the different ways of creating a string. String is created by just assigning a value to a variable, and the value must be enclosed either in single quotes or in double quotes. So here we have created a string. We just put a variable and assign a value to it. Then we have a string operations. Strings can be manipulated by using operators like concatenate, repetition, membership operators, etc. The basic operators of Python are multiplication and concatenation. In concatenation, we add or join two strings, and in replication or repetition, we make the copies of a particular string. Or we can say that we create multiple copies of the same string. Then we have membership operators. In membership operators, we have in and not in. They returns true if a character exists in the given string, and not in return true if the character does not exist in the given string. Then we have comparison operators. In comparison operators, we have less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and not equals to. Then we use slicing. Slicing extract the characters from the given index, and we also have a range in it. Range function extract the characters from the given range. In slicing, slicing is used to retrieve the subset of a value, and a slice is just a substring. Or we can say that slice is a extracted substring, and we can extract a substring by using a square bracket. And the syntax for extracting or making slices are string name, then square bracket, start value, colon, end value, colon, step value. Start is the starting integer where the slicing starts. End is the position till which the slicing takes place, and step is the integer value which determine the increment between each index for slicing. And start, stop, skip, these are the optional values. If a single parameter is passed, then start and end are set to none. Suppose here we are doing a slicing. We are using slicing by using a negative indexes. So here we have taken an example x equals to tutorial gateway, and we enclosed it in single quotes. So by just assigning a value to a variable, we have created a string. Now slicing string using two indexes. Suppose we have taken a value, x is the string name, then square bracket, here 2 is the start value and 13 is the stop value, and we are doing here slicing. So we are starting from index 2 and stop at index 13. So we start 0 1 2. So फर्स्ट वैल्यू भी यहाँ पे हमारी जो प्रिंट होगी वो क्या होगी हमारी टी. देखो ना 0 1 2, तो 2 पे हमारा इंडेक्स आ रहा है, टी पे हमारा इंडेक्स आ रहा है 2. तो वी स्टार्ट स्लाइसिंग फ्रॉम 2. तो हमारा आउटपुट क्या आ जाएगा, TOTRIAL, देन स्पेस को भी वो काउंट करेगा एज अ करेक्टर, सिंगल करेक्टर, देन गेट. Same we can do a slicing by using a negative indexes. Here we have taken f equals to x, then square bracket colon -2 square bracket close. Here हमने यहाँ पे हम start value नहीं दी है और skip value नहीं दी है. तो by default is start from the -1 index and stop at -2 and the increment is of 1. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो नेगेटिव इंडेक्स हमारा क्या आ जाएगा, आंसर आ जाएगा वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वैल्यू, और हमारे पास आ जाएगा ट्यूटोरियल गेटवे, हमारे पास आउटपुट आ जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन परफॉर्म स्लाइसिंग. देन वी हैव पाइथन स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स एंड फंक्शंस. We use various Python use various built-in string methods to manipulate the strings. The first is is alpha, is digit. Is alpha returns true if the string contain only letters. Then we have is digit return true if the string contain only digits. Lower convert all the uppercase letters of the string to a lower case. Same upper, vice versa, upper convert lowercase letters in the string to uppercase, and lowercase convert uppercase letters to lowercase, vice versa. Then we have a strip function. In strip we have L strip and R strip. L strip returns true. L strip returns the string after removing the space from the left of the string, and R strip removes the space from the right side of the string. Then we have replace. If we want to replace some string by a new string, then we use replace function. Find function is used to find the particular character in the string. Join is used to merge two strings. And then we have max function. Max function is to find the maximum string in the maximum character in the string, same as it is main function is used to find the minimum character in a string. Then we have a split function. Split function is used to break the string into parts. So these are some of the methods and functions we used in a string. So this is all about the string. Thank you.